everyone, today we're going to go over how to set up the ad tester from start to finish. So the first thing you'll want to do is go to ezoic.com/join.php, or if you go to ezoic.com, you can click the Get Started button on the top right. That'll bring you to this page, so you'll need to enter your website, email address, password, and the type of site it is. When you finish adding all your information, click Create Premium Account. Once you get this message, click on Visit the Ezoic dashboard. As you can see, there are 3 links here: integrate your site, set up ad testing, and turn on Ezoic. The first thing you'll need to do is integrate the site. So you can click on the link here. The suggested way to integrate is through your name servers, and 95% of our publishers use this. So you'll click on View Instructions, and here it gives the name servers that you'll need to change to in your registrar. So I'm not going to show you how to add these in your registrar, but basically you log into your registrar account, go to name servers, it may have a custom button or you may just be able to change them, and you put in whatever is provided here. There's no downtime, so the site will stay up and running. If you need to find this page later, you can also go to Settings, Advanced, and when you scroll to the bottom you'll see name servers and it will bring you back to this page. After you've integrated, it can take some time to see a check mark in the Integrate Your Site link, but you can go on to the next step, which is to set up ad testing. When you get to this page, click on Settings, and it will bring you here to the Ad Tester app. You can also find this by going to the App Store and clicking on the Ad Tester app. When you scroll down, you'll see a few options. One is Let Ad Tester automatically test additional ad locations, and this is toggled on automatically. You can always turn it off. So this allows us to add more placeholders onto your site if we see some locations that we think would benefit you. You can also toggle on anchor ads for mobile and inline ads. The next step in setting up ad testing is to wrap your ads. What you'll do is create a placeholder, which is a piece of code that contains the sizes and devices you want to test, and wrap it around your current ad code on your site. You'll want to wrap all of the ads that you have right now. Later, you'll be able to split traffic, so any traffic going to your original will see your original ads, and any traffic going to Ezoic will see ads from Ezoic partners. To do that, you'll click on Add Display Ad Unit. When you get to this page, you'll select where on the page you want the ad to show and what you want to name it. You'll also select which devices you want this ad to show on, and choose all the sizes that will fit in that area. When you're done selecting all of the sizes, you click Create Ad. A piece of code will then be provided for you, and this is what you'll use to wrap around your original ad code. Here is an example from one of our support articles that better shows how to wrap your ads. The first part in bold is the placeholder that came from the Ezoic dashboard. That's what you would create in the Ad Tester app. The second part in italics is your original ad. It may look a little bit different from this one here. When I scroll down, you can see them put together. So the first part is the placeholder, then there's the original ad, then a div, and then the closing line. If you need help on wrapping them, please contact your Ezoic representative and they can send you the walkthrough guide for wrapping your ads. Once you finish wrapping all of your display ads, you can go on to wrap your native ads. And you do it the same way that you would with the display ads. You create a placeholder and wrap it around your code. When you're finished that, you can add more placeholders to the site, either display, native, or link unit. We suggest creating at least 15 display placeholders so the system has a lot of different options to test. We also recommend selecting all the sizes that fit in that location so that the system can try all of them. Any that don't work very well for your users will automatically be phased out, and the ones that are doing well will be promoted. Once you're done adding all of your placeholders, you can go back to the dashboard. At this point, you should have a check mark next to the link Integrate Your Site, and you'll see that a fourth link has appeared on your dashboard, which is to apply for the Google Ad Exchange. You'll need to complete this before ads will show. Typically, it only takes a few hours to be approved. You can turn the system on now if you'd like to, and your original will keep showing until you're approved in the Google Ad Exchange. To turn on the system, click on Turn on Ezoic. That will bring you to this page where you can turn on the system by device. All you need to do is toggle each one on and choose what percentage you want to test. You can either change the percentage by moving the slider back and forth or by typing it into this box. When you're done, you just need to click Save Changes at the bottom. If you ever need to return to this page to change your settings, go to Settings at the top right, turn Ezoic on and off, and that will bring you back to this page. So that's it. You've completed all of the steps for setup. If you have any other questions, you can always contact your Ezoic representative or email us at support@ezoic.com.